Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, and you already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, Z, and I'm your host, Phoenix the Fireboy, aka P equals MC squared, aka P braided, and I haven't got my microphone today, so if it's a bit choppy, forgive me. This is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. Should we get into it? Let's get into it. Oh, I'm back. Let me give you the tourlage. Little close-ups, you know what I mean, a little bit on bobs, a little bit of bobs. All right, gang, today, and I'm gonna say it off the phone just to make sure, today we have a Barbour times Tokihito Yoshida vintage cotton hunting jacket. So that's a Barbour Tokihito Yoshida vintage cotton hunting jacket. Look at this beauty, guys. Let me just give you a look. It's weighty, it's fucking just, yeah, it's a lot right now. It's a lot. All right, guys, let's start from the cuffages. Actually, no, we won't. We'll start by the length. All right. As you can see, there's my waist. This comes a bit longer than my usual. Normally it comes to about there, but this comes to there. So very, very nice length. Little hunting jacket. All right, let's do some cuffages. As you can see, you have these Velcro strapped cuffs which allow you to taper it really, really well. If you can see, it goes all the way around, so if you want to do that really extra tight taper like that, you can do it. If you want to do the light taper, you can do it. Very, very nice, and a nice bit of Velcro. Of course, as you know, equilibrium is a beautiful thing, so you have the exact same on the opposite side. Who would have thought, eh? Who would have thought? So this is 100% cotton, it's not waxed, and it is in a fetching sort of green, a sort of faded military green color, I would say. Okay, all right, let's look at this zipped up. So you have this classic Barbour zip pull there, you know, with the nice round logo and the Barbour right there in this burnished steel, shall we call it. I'll just step back so you can see. Zip all the way up. This goes all the way to the roof of the neck, as you can see right there. Let me show you, roof of the neck business. Look, right there, you know, very, very Parkerish, you know what I mean? All the way up to there. Careful with your hirsute like myself, because you will be catching your bier in the zipper. So that goes all the way, and then that is then covered by the zip strip here, which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, oh, 14, 15. It has 15 buttons from top to bottom. 15 from top to bottom. That's mad. I would button them all up, but that's a long thing. But as you can see, mucho buttons, bare buttons there. And as you can see, the zip strip starts from there. The zipper starts from this bit here, and then that goes all the way up to there, and then you have further buttons down here which you can button up. Okay, what else do we want to talk about? Let's talk about, I think we should get into some pockets really, because there's like a million pockets on this. So yeah, I will take you on the pockets. All right, let's start on the two pockets at the top, left hand side, right hand side. As you can see, these pockets have the rivets and that, you know what I mean? 1, 2, 3, so they're pressed down. You press them down, boom, press the other one down like that. As you can see, you got a big one in the middle and 2 either side, which are a smaller version. And of course, on the other side, equilibrium is a beautiful thing. So now if we put our hands in here, sufficient enough, oh, it's quite deep actually, bars of gold. Don't waste it for your coins. You could use your coins and put plenty. Bars of gold would definitely fit in there. This is like your, you know, your military satchel that you would have had when you was in World War II or World War I. I know enough of you are not old enough to know that, but yeah, I'm guessing, by the way, because I am not old enough to know this myself. Okay, at the bottom, left hand side, right hand side, you have the same pockets again, not same pockets, but you have the same setup. You have 2 pockets which are identical, and let's pull it up. You have the buttons. I'll show you that closely. So there you have the buttons right there, and on the left hand side it says Barbour right there, as you can see. Once again, nice pockets, you can put your hand in, bars of gold, maybe a couple kids, maybe a small apartment, actually not a small apartment, couple kids, bars of gold, definitely. Boom. So those are the bottom pockets. We've done the bottom pockets, we've done the top pockets. Now we have a zipper right here, as you can see. Zipper, let me just bring this down a little bit so we can see what's going on. You have a zipper right here and you have a zipper right here, as you can see. Pull down, pull down, pull down, boom. Hand in, my hand's gone all the way, disappeared here, all the way disappeared. Once again, a very, very useful pocket. None of that bullshit, you know, where you can't actually store stuff. This is actually, it definitely is a hunting jacket, because, you know, you might want to keep the reindeer that you shot in there. God forgive you for doing that. You should not be killing reindeer. And then maybe you want to keep the fox that you culled in here. Again, maybe culling is a thing that we need to do. I don't know, but I know you shouldn't be shooting reindeer, unless maybe you should be. I don't know. Anywho's, shoot some elk or something. Yeah, so zip up, zip down, really, really good. You have this sort of hook bit here, which I'm sure allows you to harness yourself on the side of the rock face if you are Sylvester Stallone. What is that movie? You know the movie. And of course, Equilibrium is a beautiful thing, burnished in silver this time. Probably not real silver, but let's just say it is, because we talk about gold and silver a lot here, don't we? So boom. Okay, what else do we have? God, there's a lot. Oh shit, right here. Boom, you have this side pocket. You hear that Velcro? And on the side pocket, look, place for your teat pipette, place for your Bunsen burner. Boom, nice bit of Velcro. And what else can you put in there? No, just your teat pipette and your Bunsen burner. So it's not an open pocket, it's just a vestibule for said things. And a nice little Velcro strap right there. And of course you have the rivets right there, not there for anything except aesthetics, but really, really dope. You do not have the same on the other side, so Equilibrium is not a beautiful thing. Of course, as you know, my favorite thing in jackets, or one of my favorite things, is hoods. Look at this bad boy. Look at this. You can't see me. Look. It's a proper hood. Look at that. You see that? A proper hood. Tappity tap, tap, tap. You're good. It's not going to stop you from rainfall or nothing, but this will stop you from your tappity tap tap. Dope. Proper good. You get me? Look at the hood. I'll give you a side view. Side view. Really good. As you can see, nice little hood there. Boom. You can fold it over and in if you need to do. Really dope. Really, really dope. The hood passes the test. Definitely. Now let's see what else we got. Inside, look. Got another zipper. It's like zipper heaven here, and in there you can put, you know, a few things, bit of gold, bit of silver. You're good to go. Nice. Boom. What else? Let me take, oh, Equilibrium's a beautiful thing because you have it on the exact same side right there, so you're winning. Let me take this off so you can, I'll give you a few little more details. As you can see there, look, so you got the John Barbour and Sons Olskin clothing, I think that says, just, you know, all of that good heritage shit right there. I'll just give you a little look at the inside because it's quite interesting. You can see we've got the Barbour right there, Barbour logo or Barbour crest right there at the neck. Super dope. If you look at the back, you see that you've got these sort of rivets right there. Oh, they actually come off. You see, you can take them off. Sorry, I'm holding this and trying to demonstrate, so please do forgive me. Yeah, so you've got a sort of like flap up there, which actually lifts up right across there, which is pretty dope. You know what I mean? So yeah, all in all, this jacket is top notch, top notch. And look, I love this as well. You got these sort of silver hood adjusters right there. Can I even speak? You got these silver hood adjusters right there. Boom, as you can see. Boom, made of pure silver, of course. You get me? It's not. That's the sirens. It's an ambulance. I hope everyone is okay. Yeah, guys, this has been a beautiful Barbour times Yoshida hunting jacket. I've said his name wrong there, but I've already said it about 5 times, so it will be down below, and I said it right in the beginning. Anyway, as you can see, I'll give you a final little twirlage here. As you can see, really dope. This is what I love in a jacket. I bought this off the Jacket Connoisseur on Instagram. Check him out. Yeah, really dope. Sent it straight away. Nice price, and just, yeah, really good service, and yeah, a beautiful jacket sold as described. Also, it's quite lightweight, but because of these pockets, which are quite hefty, it's got some weight on it, so you could wear it in this beautiful sunshine, but don't walk too fast. And really, you wouldn't want to put too many things in your pocket. But this will be perfect for the outdoors, with maybe a sort of waterproof layer underneath, maybe, or have this on top and have a waterproof layer over it, just to keep it nice and dry. But yeah, really dope. I'm loving these Velcro straps because they go all the way around. Normally they stop about there. See where it sits there? It normally stops about there, but it goes all the way around. So I'm feeling that. Pretty dope. Yeah, I just love this jacket, man. I'm not gonna lie, it's one of the best jackets I've bought. I've got another Barbour which I will show you, a Barbour International. But yeah, it's a different material, but still fly. It's got a nice little belt. But look at this. I mean, this jacket, I'm not gonna lie, look, white t-shirt business, fly, looking dope, man. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I just want to wear this all day. However, I've got other videos to shoot. So guys, let me know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. As usual, you guys are the MVPs. You guys are cool as fuck. You already know where it is. This has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. I've been your host, P5, aka P Barbour, and you guys have been wonderful. This has been Once. We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, the end. You already know where it is. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and as always, guys, look after yourself, stay dope, and stay fly. Peace.